pocketing of the one should he come that close on the hit. See, all right, he's got an excellent chance to make the one because of the right angle.
No.
Sumabay dito sa timbol ang katunggali ni Efren Reyes at hindi akalain ng lahat na ito ang gagawin ng magician. Hindi sukat akalain ng lahat na magagawa ni Efren ang sinabi niya na tatlong banda, shot rails, pabalik patungo doon sa corner pocket na tinuro niya bago gawin ang tira. Ito ang tinatawag na full table reverse bank shot sa wikang Ingles. Ito ang pinakamahirap na trick shot sa kasaysayan ng billiard.
You might miss this ball.
Good morning mga kabilyard! Kumusta na kayo? Narito uli ang ating nag-iisang tinaguriang The Magician, Efren Reyes. Narito ang ating nag-iisang idolo pagdating sa larong billiard. Sa dami ng kanyang bliss shot, magic shot at impossible shot, ay kumuha tayo ng 10 pinakamalupit na tira sa kanyang karer na talaga namang hinangaan at kinabiliban ng manonood sa buong mundo. Ito ang 10 pinakamalulupit na tira galing kay Efren Reyes. Bago ang iyan na huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating munting channel para sa mga susunod nating mga uploads. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin simulan ang 10 malulupiting tirang ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo.
Ten. 9. Eight.
Like he can't do anything wrong shooting this shot. He makes this station howl. This is great. Nah,
But maybe just.
Seven.
这个4号做5号就让我们感觉到不大对劲，还好打进哦。哎呦啊，有没有掉球嘞？10岁男，
眼睛里面露出了希望。
Settle down, please.
剁杆，哇，这小心会被洗底带嘞。剁杆，哎呦，打进， 真的是打得让人心惊胆跳。
6, 5,
Hindi pa ganun kadali yung binigay sa kanyang tiro dito ni Efren Bata Reyes. At mailulusot ba niya? Safety. Perfectly executed by Ronnie Alcano. Halos lahat ng bola ang binara niya doon sa gitna. Ano po yung numero na nakalagay doon, ina-add po yan. Para may palitan lang ng ano yan ng technique. So Efren looking up. Oh, naman yun. Shot yun ang Bata Reyes. Oh boy.
Four, 3, 2.
直接打中1号球，这时候难度非常高，这是非常难打的一个跳球。这个球等于是我们在我们那个年代小时候玩一种这个他打的那个球，哇，这个难度很高，这个难度非常高。这球是跳的不错，希望张邦待会有机会给进攻或防守手能够发挥，能够逆转胜。好，看张那边，哦，这个更高级，这更高级。
1.
Had the 6 to shoot. Well, no, he didn't. Watch the 8. Watch the 8.
Oh my goodness.
Strickland's he used to have that ball.
Oh boy. Oh, what a bad roll by Avery.
Horrible roll. Horrible roll. Horrible.
Cushion just missing the 7 ball, nipping the 5 and coming 3 cushions back down table. I think
He went twice.
I don't like this shot because you don't get no more. You might miss this ball.
What a finish. Commend Earl for his sportsmanship there. I mean, he really was happy for Reyes in the regard that he made a terrific shot.
Don't get no better than this. Look at this. He hits it perfect.
Oh my goodness. What a shot. What a time to come with a shot like that. Wow, what's going to happen here? Very thinly pocketing, hitting the 5, and will it reach the pocket? Who knows? Oh my goodness, you made it again.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 malulupit na tira galing sa ating magician, Efren Batari. Ikaw ka-Billiard, anong masasabi mo sa 10 malulupiting tirang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!